In this video clip, you will learn about bibliographic information used for citations and references. The term bibliographic information refers to all data about an information source that are collected, described and indexed, and then made available for different purposes. There are many different bibliographic fields that are used to describe an information source. The specific fields that are used to describe an information source also vary according to the type of information source that is being described. In this example, which is a screen clip from a library's catalog, the following bibliographic fields have been used to describe this specific book: the details of the author, the title of the book, the publisher and the place of publication, the date of publication, the specific edition of the book, a short description of the physical aspects of the book, the subject areas covered in the book, the details of additional authors of the book, an indication if the book is part of a series, an indication that the book contains an index and a bibliography, the details of the previous editions of the book, a brief description of the content of the book, the ISBN, which is a standardized number that is allocated to the book. Books often have multiple numbers which represent the different versions of the book. And lastly, the Dewey Decimal Classification number of the book. When an information source is cited and referenced, limited bibliographic fields are used. These fields are the details of the author or authors, the title and in some cases the subtitle of the book, the details of the publisher and place of publication, the year of publication, and lastly, the edition of the book. The other bibliographic fields such as the subject areas covered in the book, the ISBN, and Dewey Decimal Classification number are not used when citing and referencing an information source. The specific order in which the bibliographic fields appear varies according to the specific referencing style that is used. If the Harvard referencing style is used, then the order is the details of the author or authors, the publication date, the edition of the book, the title of the book, the publisher of the book, and lastly, the place of publication. Let us quickly look at a second example. This example is a screen clip of a journal article from the library's catalog. The bibliographic fields that are used to describe a journal is similar to that of a book, but differs in several instances, such as the source, which is the journal title, the volume and issue number, the page numbers, their session number, and the database which provides access to the article. Similar to that of a book, not all the bibliographic fields of a journal article are used when citing and referencing this specific information source. The bibliographic fields that are used include the title of the article, the details of the author or authors, the source details, and the publication date. As mentioned, the specific order in which the bibliographic fields appear varies according to the specific referencing style that is being used. In the case of Harvard referencing style, the order is the details of author or authors, the publication date, the title of the article, the name of the journal, the volume and issue number, the page numbers. I hope the content covered in this video clip contributed to your knowledge and understanding about bibliographic information for citations and references.